What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have the Mantle TV mount. And this is not your standard TV mount, ladies and gentlemen. This is a TV mount where you can actually go vertical, up and down here. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, you guys. So we are going to start with step one. And step one basically says use the screw that best fits your TV as far as the length goes. So right there, you see M4. M6, M8. And I know it's a little confusing in the instructions, but you see the M4, you just go up here and look for M4. When you see M4, it says M4 right there. And then you're looking for MA. And then you look at your package. So that's how you locate those. For my thread, I had to use MC. You have to check with your TV to see if you need to use a spacer. They do provide spacers. So you got spacers right there. Step two, want us to go ahead and assemble the wall plate. All right, you guys. So we have our piece in, and when you install this, you see those two little notches right there. 1, 2. And the screws we are going to use are PB. They do have a hex little wrench that comes with this, but I like my Amartison set, so I stick with that. All right, you guys, I use my little impact right here. You may not want to do this, but I do it, okay? And I put my setting on low, so it is what it is. If not, you can use what comes with the packet. They give you all types of tools. So we are going to go to step 3 where it says put on 3 washers. That's from PF. So we got PF right here. 1, 2, 3. Now we got to install the plate. Let's make sure the arrows are up. Now you need PE. And then you need PD. I'm going to use my 1/2 inch. Too light. Good enough. And then it says to put on K. Now, this one is not labeled K, but I'm assuming this is K. So let's see. Okay. Just have to push a little hard, but it's on there. So we are going into step 4 right now. My holes right here, they're pretty much in the middle, but it says if you have high holes, then put it up to where it's supposed to be, but don't over exceed your TV. So you don't want your bracket to go higher than your TV. I'm gonna put my on higher because I want my TV to be a little bit lower when I place it up because my TV is already high. And I'm using a screwdriver because you don't want to use a drill gun when it comes to your electronics. Oh, I forgot my washers, you guys. MG or MH. Gotta do that all over again. I'll put this MH and put this screw on. All right, you guys. So we have this piece right here, and then we have this piece. So this is how you're supposed to put it on, just like that. And then we have the 3 screws, which is PA that we need. Put that here, screw it on. All right, do that times 3. All right, you guys, so I have PC right here, and then I'm going to put PB on. Make sure your 2 screw holes right here are centered with your TV as good as possible. Put our screws in. This is not to your TV. This is actually to your hardware. All right, you guys, I lost one of my other screws. It's here somewhere, but I'm going to put 1 screw on for now. This is how you pull the TV down. So we're just going to put that on. All right, you guys, so I'm going to use screws and washers. But hold this tight. All right, good. All right, you guys. So we pulled the mount down, and then we had to put a wrench through here. When you put the wrench through here, you let go a little bit, and then it will stay in place until you get your TV up. Because it's better to put your TV up like this. So me and my son going to put the TV up now, and then we'll do the adjustments. We'll show you everything. Okay. And all right. Okay. So this is the hard part. Okay. When you put your TV on, make sure these are all the way off. And then you have to put this, you can lift this up and let it hang down like that. Then you install your TVs. Both sides have to be down. Okay. Then when you put your TV on to the latch, then you put that on and then put your screw, or put your nut, sorry. Put your nut on and tighten it up, and that's how this will be secure. That way it won't slide. If you do not do this, your TV will slide left or right. Put this on like that. All right, I'm going to tighten these, and then we can go over the TV because we're basically done. Okay, so right there, I have all of my wires hooked up. I got my Fire Stick, all of my stuff nice and well. Only thing is I didn't put the power cord through the ports right here, the system right there. I didn't put the power cord through there because my power cord is short and it hooks up right there to my outlet. So I don't need that. You can tilt it left and right. This is what people want to see. So tilt it left, tilt it right. All right. And for the main thing that people want to see is going up and down. Now, the trick to this is that you have to adjust it to the weight of your TV. So now we have it all the way up, and it actually looks nice. It looks nice, nicer than the one we had there. I'm going to bring it down, and I could bring it down to any level. It stays there. And to do that, you have to go back here, and you see these numbers right here. All right, so you have to adjust these numbers to the weight of your TV, or the range of the weight of your TV. So mine's is on 22, and this is a 65-inch TV, LG, and I didn't know the weight, so I Googled the model number to this, and it just told us like a range of what to do. So we on 22. When we put it on a different range, if you got a heavier TV, the springs will spring it back. So make sure you put it on the proper weight range to it. Pan to the left and you could pan to the right. I never had a TV mount like this before. Again, this is very cool. Got my Nintendo Switch right there, my speaker right there. And yeah, this is amazing. In order to do this, you make sure that you adjust it to the weight of your TV. And then you can leave it anywhere. You don't have to worry about it springing back up by itself. That's it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.